Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down, away from any distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, letting go of any tension as you exhale. Imagine yourself in a serene meadow. The grass is soft between your feet, and the air is filled with the gentle fragrance of wildflowers. As you walk, feel the warmth, golden light enveloping you, creating a protective aura. Visualize a dream portal ahead. It's a shimmering doorway leading to a world of endless possibilities. With each step, you move closer, eager to embark on a journey of self-discovery. As you enter the portal, sense the transition from the meadow to the surreal dreamscape. The colors around you intensify, and the air is filled with a magical energy. You are now walking through the corridors of your dreams. Affirm to yourself, I am the architect of my dreams, and I embrace the boundless potential within me. The path unfolds before you, revealing landscapes that defy logic. Mountains of inspiration rise on the horizon, and rivers of creativity flow beside you. Feel the motivation welling up within, pushing you forward. Repeat to yourself, I am capable of achieving my goals. Each step I take brings me closer to my dreams. Encounter symbolic doorways representing opportunities. Open them with encouragement and step into new realms of possibilities. As you do, affirm, I welcome positive change, and I'm open to opportunities that come my way. Imagine a bridge appearing, leading you over the challenges and doubts. Cross it with confidence, and with each step, feel a surge of empowerment. Whisper to yourself, I am resilient, and I overcome any obstacles in my path. My dreams are within reach. I am resilient. As you walk deeper into your dream, visualize a majestic tree. Its branches reaching towards the sky, representing your growth and potential. Feel the connection to your roots grounding you in determination. Repeat to yourself, I am rooted in my aspirations, growing stronger each day. My dreams are my reality in the making. As you approach a crystal clear lake, reflecting the stars above, each star symbolizes a goal or a dream. So many of them. Dip your hand into the water, creating ripples of manifestation. Repeat, I manifest my dreams. I manifest my dreams with clarity and purpose. The universe aligns with my aspirations. As the meditation concludes, imagine yourself through the dream portal, carrying the energy of your own journey. Feel gratitude for this experience, knowing that your dreams are powerful within you. Now, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs, and take a slow, deep breath from your mouth. Slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying the motivation and the affirmations into your waking reality. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation. Please feel free to like and subscribe.